Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering error 0x800f081f, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we can do to get rid of this solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. For that, we will right click on the Start button, go to Settings, and then we will click on System, scroll down for Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters, and then we will click on the Run button next to the Windows Update, and it will solve the issue. If it doesn't, then we need to run a disk check and an SFC. So we need to do a disk cleanup. So for that, we will look for disk cleanup in the search bar, and we will select all the boxes while also cleaning up the system files and click on OK. And this will clean up all the system files. If we can run an additional step, that is the SFC. So we'll look for command prompt and we'll run the SFC scan by right clicking on the command prompt and clicking on run as administrator. In the elevated command prompt box, we will input the command SFC space /SCANNOW and press enter. Now, if we still get the error, then we will force upload the Windows, we'll download the Windows update and we will install it manually. So for that, I'll click on my browser and I will search for Windows Update Catalog and then click on Windows Microsoft Update Catalog, and then in this you enter the date and the year. So you have to enter the month, the present month, and slash the present year. Now if you are in a new month, say you are in September, but it's before the 15 days of September, that is you are before, you're presently on before the date of the 15th of September, then you need to enter the previous month. So I entered it for August, that is 08/2024, and I will click on search. Now I will download the cumulative update for August, and I will download it for the Windows 11 version that I run on my computer. Now how to check if I have an x64 based system or a x32-bit system? So for that I will look for system information, click on it, and then on system type I can see if it's an x64 based PC or an x86 based PC. If it is an x86 PC, then you need to download the software version for the x32 based systems. Then click on the download link, click on this MSU link, and it will automatically download. Then you need to run the installer and restart the system by clicking on the start button, the power button, and restart. And this error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.